Ow.
It's going.
Shut up!
It's going.
Oh.
Today, we're making a cake for Corey's belated birthday.
Which was last week?
Yup, anyways, I just bought the cake last night, so now we're making it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nice
that stabbed my boob.
So,
we're doing
today
French
we have
vanilla.
French vanilla.
Can you see it? Duncan Hines.
We got this at Ulta, Sephora.
It was on sale actually.
It was on sale for like
What was it, like $3.49?
$3.49, I think so.
Dollars, obviously.
Yeah.
Not cents.
Ew.
But do you want to just get cracking?
Let's get it cracking.
Oh,
yeah.
what a
We didn't
twist.
even explain it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm
so
gonna be Corey's hands. Kind of dangerous. But don't touch my vagina, please. This is like perfect.
I'll put my hands up here.
Like by my okay, good.
So today we are gonna be. Oh yeah, you just said that. So we're gonna make a cake, and now Lauren's gonna have to get all the ingredients like this. All right, let's do it.
Okay, so hold up, we gotta find the ingredients
Jesus.
first.
Okay, I'll read it. Okay, so 3 large eggs. I can't read. 1 and 1/3 cups of water and 1/3 cup of
Oil. Eggs underneath the watermelon.
It's gonna be dangerous.
Ah, shit.
Are these large?
Let me check.
12 eggs.
Large.
I see large on there.
What is it?
Alright, what else do we need?
Water. Find your measurements. Where are they?
They're in here.
Okay.
There they are, right there. Wait, there's liquid measures around here too, isn't there?
Doesn't matter.
Oil.
Oh, great. Extra virgin. We are
Just like us.
Just like us, we are extra virgin. What brand is it? What brand is it? It is Splendid.
President's Choice.
Okay.
Back that ass up.
Back to this.
Oh,
Fuck, Roman, get this. Get it.
I can't get it.
Looks
Okay, let me move
like
back.
she's riding you.
Oh my god, stop.
Get up. Get up.
I don't have arms.
Hold on.
This shit's
Stop.
so
Let's
good.
get
Can you itch my nose for me?
Yes.
No, like.
Where?
Like in his nose?
Yeah. No, not in my nose.
No,
like
we're
on
not. We're not doing that.
Preheat oven to 350.
Okay. Please.
Is it on?
Don't you have to start?
Don't you have to
No,
bake?
no, you guys are losers. I know how to work my oven.
Grease sides and bottom of each pan with shortening or oil.
All right, we need a pan.
Ah,
I didn't
shit.
put that on the ingredients. Right.
Well, like
It's part of the materials.
Ugh.
Don't
We're
break
not
it.
making cupcakes.
We could.
We're not.
Where are the other things? Hold
Hey,
on.
look, Mom, no hands.
Oh, please, son, don't do that. Have them. I fucked up cakes before in this house.
Maybe they threw them out.
Alright, you just have to have that. That's alright. Okay.
Wait.
Stop on. That's my move.
Stop! You don't exist.
Alright, tell them our news. Put your fucking hand behind your back.
Alright, so we're gonna make cupcakes now instead because we can't find the cake pan. Alright, hands, stop. Pick the fucking things up. Okay. Alright. We'll mix, cake, blend, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl until moistened. Alright, so right now we're just opening the boxy.
The what?
The boxy. My hands are really... I had a few drinks before this, so I'm kind of tipsy. Oh shit. So this is the Coke we're gonna do.
Does it smell good?
No.
Teeth.
Oh, my teeth? Oh! Yeah.
Get any plastic stuck between your teeth?
No. Yeah, it does smell good. Nice. Nice. Alright. Nice. We're gonna cook the counter. We're gonna blend it on the counter. Stop moving, hand. Alright, now open the oil. Oil. Open it. This is funny.
This is going. We might want to move the phone before we do this.
Nah. How much oil? 1/3 of a cup. Oh my god. Right hand. Okay, this is gonna be a long time. Do you maybe do it over the bowl? All right. Okay. Oh my god.
That's not enough, Lauren.
That's like nothing. I just farted. Lauren. Yeah, put it right in the mixture. Who even cares?
Oh, no, it's good.
You need to like, yeah, there you
I'm
go.
gonna Is it good?
No, you're not putting anything in. So keep at that steady pace. It smells weird. It smells like coconut rum. Alright. Dump it in. Shit. We don't have the time for Okay. Throw it all in there. It looks like pee. Alright. Alright. 3 eggs.
Oh, this is gonna be...
Kind of eggshell cupcakes.
Oh god.
Jesus. No! Do it on the bowl. You're not allowed to look.
Too ham.
God. You're banging your. Oh shit! Oh.
Yay!
You did it, Lauren.
Yay!
No eggshells. I don't think. Go ahead.
Oh.
Oh shit. Eggshell. No. Oh fuck. There's a big one.
Oh, tell me where it is.
No.
Just kind of. No, it's like.
Just feel her
No,
out.
you're not supposed to use your
it's
hand.
like right there.
Alright.
Oh my god. You
Where is
like blended it in.
Alright, that's good.
Fine.
Okay.
It'll just be a little crunchy.
Just a little.
My forehead's bleeding.
Let's see.
Oh.
No, you're fine.
Okay, now do another one. Last one.
It's just sweat, don't worry.
Not against my forehead.
Why should I do this one again?
Chin.
No! Okay, fine.
Chest.
Chin. Okay, maybe not.
Chest.
Ow!
You're supposed to be
I don't have a
there.
hard chest. I'm.
Oh, wow.
Lauren, you're supposed to use the flat side, not the pointy side.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Right, put your hand.
No!
Yeah, put your hand there. It's gonna be softer. It's gonna be softer, Corey. You're gonna make Corey.
Now put it in the mixture.
Oh my god, that started brutal really fast.
Oh my god.
I don't have hands.
Robin, don't do that.
Alright. Alright, now use the dishcloth, you animal. I have a multi-personality disorder.
Are you schizophrenic?
Yes, me and a band of vines were at the same therapist. Okay. Water.
How much?
1 1/3 cup.
Ah, shit.
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
Got it?
That's
Where's
good.
Murphy?
My household.
No,
Yeah,
one
it
quarter.
is.
Oh, no.
This is the oil.
Oh, that's warm.
Ew.
Okay.
Alright. The
I
wallet.
got a pinch.
Alright. Now mix.
Becky?
Becky.
What the hell?
Becky Joan Perry.
What the hell, Becky?
The police are here, I have to go.
Oh, and then there was no unfinished in this cake. Alright, okay, that looks really shitty. Wow. So let's take a look at these puppies. But yeah, they're pretty good.
Look yum.
Betty Crocker, look at that. I like the stuff like in between them. Makes for a nice little extra snack for later. Okay, alright.